Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 must-have storage items that will help you declutter your home and make it look bigger and more organized. Item 1. Stackable dish plates. These stackable dish plates are perfect for small kitchens or for storing dishes that you don't use every day. They're also great for organizing your pantry or fridge. Item 2. Extendable shelving. Extendable shelving is a great way to maximize your storage space. You can use it to create additional storage in your cabinets, pantry, or even your closet. Item 3. Wall-mounted shelving. Wall-mounted shelving is a great way to free up floor space. You can use it to store books, magazines, decorations, or even kitchen utensils. Item 4. TV stand with storage. A TV stand with storage is a great way to declutter your living room. You can use the storage space to store your gaming consoles, DVDs, or even your remote controls. Item 5. Door-mounted Shurak. A door-mounted Shurak is a great way to store your shoes without taking up any floor space. You can use it to store your everyday shoes or even your seasonal shoes. Item 6. Wall-mounted shower caddy. A wall-mounted shower caddy is a great way to keep your shower supplies organized. You can use it to store your shampoo, conditioner, soap, and even your razors. Item 7. Expandable laundry hamper. An expandable laundry hamper is a great way to save space in your laundry room. You can use it to store your dirty clothes, clean clothes, or even your recycling. Item 8. Wall-mounted paper towel holder. A wall-mounted paper towel holder is a great way to keep your paper towels within reach. You can use it to store your paper towels in the kitchen, bathroom, or even your office. Item 9. Spice rack with drawers. A spice rack with drawers is a great way to keep your spices organized and accessible. You can use it to store your spices in the kitchen or even in your pantry. Item 10. Narrow space cabinet. A narrow space cabinet is a great way to utilize unused space in your home. You can use it to store your cleaning supplies, pantry items, or even your holiday decorations.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.